In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Paperform with Monday.com step by step so you can connect your form submissions to your workflow and save a ton of time on manual data entry. This is a really useful setup if you want your forms and boards to work together more smoothly, whether you're managing leads, requests, projects, or internal tasks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, go to Paperform and log into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to My Workspace and choose the form you want to connect to Monday.com. Make sure you pick the correct form, because this is the one that will send data into your Monday workflow. After you open the form, look at the top menu and click on Connect. This is where Paperform lets you add integrations and automate actions based on form responses. On the integration screen, use the search bar and type Monday.com. Paperform will search through its available connections, and when Monday.com appears in the results, click Connect. Next, you'll be asked to sign in using Gmail or your preferred email login tied to your Monday.com account. Go ahead and complete that sign-in process so Paperform can access the Monday.com workspace you want to connect. Once you're authenticated, Paperform will take you through a series of Monday.com configuration questions. This part is important because it tells Monday.com exactly how to organize and receive your form data. Now take your time and configure everything based on your needs. You'll usually want to name the project clearly so it's easy to recognize later. Then, select the relevant columns for your board so the right form fields match the right Monday.com columns. For example, you may want a name field to go into a text column, an email field into the correct contact column, and any notes or request details into a long text section. If Paperform gives you options for layout or views, choose the one that best fits the way you want to manage the incoming submissions. You can also list or organize your projects depending on how your board is structured. The goal here is to make sure everything looks clean, makes sense, and is easy to manage once submissions start coming in. Once all the settings are in place, click Get Started. Paperform will now finish setting up the integration, and your Monday.com board will be ready to receive data from your form. At this point, you've successfully connected Paperform with Monday.com, and new submissions can flow into your workspace much more efficiently. If you want to test it, submit a sample entry through the form and check your Monday.com board to confirm that the data appears in the correct columns. That's always a smart final step, because it helps you catch any mapping issues before you start using it for real submissions. And that's it. You've learned how to integrate Paperform with Monday.com in just a few simple steps. If this walkthrough helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.